Hi cuties, what's up? I am Sakshi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For this week's video, we are doing a day of me just being productive and getting things done. So let's just get into the video. I have created a to-do list for myself that I want to follow and just like get things done. Also, I have been on sort of a slump and I haven't been very productive. So this is something that I really need right now. So I think that creating videos also motivate me a lot to study. So here comes this video for you all, and let's get into the video. I do want to talk about the current situation that is going on in India because it's bizarre how irresponsible the government has been is insane to me. I mean, there have been protests going on for a very long time in this country because we all know everything that is going on, from education to environment to things that are being done in the name of development in this country. We all know what is happening. And then obviously there is the whole petrol situation, and this government is being so inhuman, like it's not even funny. And I have been constantly trying to update myself with everything that is going on, and everything that is going on at Jantar Mantar and Sonam sir's hunger strike and all the students who are doing the hunger strike with him. Like, it takes so much courage to be there and do these things for a country. चीजें इतनी ज़्यादा सिर के ऊपर जा चुकी हैं that it's insane to me that the government is so spineless. They don't have even the courtesy to come to a person who is on a hunger strike for not even himself but for this country's youth. And I think it's insane. I just want all of us to be a bit more informed and to not let our rights get destroyed like this. And if you are watching this video and you can go to a protest, then please go. I am also trying my best to go to a protest. I can vouch for it that we are not living in a democracy. The media giving such a negative impression of the whole protests that are going on in this country. I'm just so sad with the whole situation that is going on, and I hope you guys are really keeping yourself posted with it, because we are just lucky the exams don't get leaked, because otherwise we would be severely impacted. And even the exams that we are giving, we know how hard it is to like study for these exams and then give them. And in turn, if these are leaked, then how worsely we would be impacted. We all know that. And the government, like, the demands are very simple. I don't understand why government is not responding, and the education minister needs to resign at this point, because it's just too much and he's clearly not able to do the work he's supposed to. So what's the point of keeping him in power? Okay, so you guys, I just got done with my first study session, and even though it's literally the daytime, but like there is no light and there is no sunlight here, so I was just studying with my lamp on. So I'm done with my first study session of the day, जिसमें मैंने पहले रिवाइज करा था जो कल पढ़ा था. And then I also did the questions जिसका lecture था आज, so that is done now. And now I am just gonna take a break, maybe read a book or just go and talk to my family, and then I will come back and we will move from there. So yeah, also today I'm thinking of having chila for breakfast, so I will go and make it. Got some stuff from blanket, so let me just do like a hot. First, we have some soya granules. I want to give them a shot because they are a very nice source of protein. Then we have some tempeh. This is peri peri crumble. It's 40 grams of protein. I got some oats. Lastly, I got some quinoa seeds. That's it. Raining outside and the weather is really pleasant, which I love. And इस weather में मेरे को बस मन करता है कि मैं अपने bed पे लेट कर books read करूँ and just like enjoy the vibes. But clearly I can't do that and I have to prepare for an exam. So बस I am gonna start studying now. It's almost 1 p.m. and I am just gonna take a lecture right now. The lecture is for 2 hours and 30 minutes. So bus I will do this and let's see how long it will actually take me to complete this lecture. also, you guys, I want to tell you guys that I've stopped watching the lectures at 1.5 or higher, like because I have realized कि मेरी मतलब मेमोरी में चीज़ें रिटेन ही नहीं कर पाती हैं इफ़ आई वॉच अ लेक्चर एट दैट स्पीड और अबव दैट. तो द मैक्सिमम दैट आई गो नाउ इज़ 1.3 और 1.4. एंड मैं बस ट्राई करती हूँ कि मैं जो पढ़ रही हूँ मैं बहुत फोकस से पढूँ, ताकि like I don't want to like repeatedly watch the lectures or watch revision videos again and again. तो I am just trying कि मैं अभी ही ऐसे पढ़ लूँ कि मेरे को बार बार revision videos ना देखनी पड़े. And I really want to like focus a lot more on the actual studying part instead of just trying to complete a lecture. So yeah, that's how it is going on. And since abhi last few days were actually the last few weeks were very busy for me, and अब मैं काफ़ी ज़्यादा फ्री हो चुकी हूँ, तो द ओनली थिंग दैट आई एम गोना फोकस ऑन नाउ इज़ माई स्टडीज़. एंड ऑल्सो आई एम ट्राइंग टू ईट हेल्दी. तो बस ये दो चीज़ें हैं दैट आई एम ट्राइंग टू फोकस ऑन राइट नाउ. Got done with my last study session for the day, and I've talked to very less in this video. I just spent a lot of my day just studying, and I did not had the energy to talk so much, so I did not. And now that I'm done with my study session, which was like my last study session for the day, I feel very happy. And yeah, I think I'm just gonna read for some time now because I am actually working with somebody for a content piece, and I need to give like a book review for that. तो मैं बस वो book read करूँगी अब for a bit. I am really enjoying the book, so that's great. Right now it's 1 a.m. and I'm just gonna read for a little bit and then I will sleep because I do want to wake up early tomorrow and get a lot more stuff done from tomorrow. Like I'm really getting hardcore into my studies from tomorrow. Just through my skincare and my hair care, which have become like such an essential part of my routine, because I think these things help me appreciate and respect myself a lot more, and I just enjoy taking care of myself because clearly you guys can also see I have gotten a lot more acne on my face. So bus I am trying to get rid of it, and I'm also trying to eat a bit more healthier now क्योंकि I think मैं काफ़ी ज़्यादा unhealthy खा लेती हूँ and it impacts me a lot, especially in terms of my studies. So I'm trying to be a little bit more mindful about that. that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for always being here. It means a lot, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye bye. Good night. Take care.